Good morning, my dear sisters and brothers. Our gospel this morning brings us back to the Last Supper, and Jesus has just washed the feet of his disciples. And after washing the disciples' feet, he said, "Amen, amen, I say to you, no slave is greater than his master." Walang aliping higit pa sa kanyang amo. What does it mean? Well, it means that if the master washed the disciples' feet, so also must the slave do. In other words, the Lord, in different words, is saying, you do what I did. You do what I did. If I wash your feet, you must also wash each other's feet. Kung ako ay naglingkod, dapat maglingkod din kayo sa isa't isa. And very interestingly, Jesus did not say, what I said, you do. Hindi. Rather, he said, what I did, you do. Mas powerful po yun eh. Yung ipinakita ni Jesus kung anong dapat gawin ng kanyang mga alagad. Hindi sinabi ni Jesus, ganito ang gawin nyo. Kundi, ito ang ginawa ko, ito rin ang gawin nyo. And there is a lesson to be learned here, my dear brothers and sisters, especially the parents who are here, or the parents who are following us online. Parental discipline is important. Kasi kung minsan yung mga magulang, dahil sa kanilang pagmamahal, hindi binibigyan ng guide ang kanilang mga anak. Hindi pinagsasabihan. Hindi pinagagalitan. Kasi sasabihin ng magulang, mahal kong anak ko eh. No? Ayaw ko siyang masaktan. Ayaw kong sumama ang kanyang loob. No. Parental discipline is important. But parental discipline must be supplemented by parental example. Kasi kung minsan, may mga magulang, hanggang parental discipline lang. Huwag mo itong gagawin. Huwag mo yung gagawin. Sumunod ka sa akin. Ganito ang gawin mo. Mali yan. Ito ang tama. Yun, parental discipline yun. You discipline your children by saying, don't do this, don't do that. No. The more powerful way of guiding your children is not parental discipline only. Parental discipline must be supplemented by parental example. Kasi nga, merong lumang commercial na nagsasabing ang anumang mali sa mata ng bata, pag ginawa ng matanda, nagiging tama. Kaya mga minamahal kong kapatid, suriin natin ang ating mga ipinakikita. That is very, very clear to me. Maaring magaling magsalita, pero kulang sa gawa. Maaaring magaling mangaral, pero kulang sa halimbawa. Ipagdasal natin ang bawat isa na sana ang ating mga sinasabi ay sinasamahan natin ng mga magagandang ginagawa. Amen.